Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to freeze the header of a table inside Excel and display it in every page. In order to do that, I have created here a fake data of a table. As soon as I scroll down, as you can see, the header of the table is disappearing from the view. And now I'm going to show you in two different ways how to freeze the first column. And while you are trying to print every page of this table, make the first row, the header, visible in every page. First of all, I'm going to freeze the header, and while I'm trying to scroll down, I'm going to make it freeze and stable, be visible. Here we have to come to View section from upper menu here, and from the Window section, we're coming to Freeze Pane, and we are selecting Freeze Top Row. And I can see now, while I'm trying to scroll down of my list, the first row, and as second option, I'm going to show you how to print the title of a table on every page when you try to print this table. In order to do that, we're coming to Page Layout, and from Page Layout, we are selecting this Page Setup and Print Titles. And as you can see here, we have the print titles, and from print titles, we're selecting rows to repeat at top. We're coming here, we are writing $A, $1, which means is the first column. And then we're putting the colon sign, $sign once again, and which is the last column is the I1, $sign once again, and 1. And then we are saying OK. And let's try to print it. As you can see now, we have every section as in repeat at the top. The header of the table is visible on every page. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.